Alright guys, so we're in the Capsule Hotel, this little chill area. I think today the plan is we're gonna go try and find a whole bunch of vending machines.
Yeah.
Just as many vending machines as we can try today.
The vending machine extravaganza.
Exactly. We'll start off with a couple smaller ones, we'll work our way into some other cool ones, and then we'll end with a little surprise for everybody.
Oh yeah.
But speaking of vending machines, we got our first one here today. Oh. First one of the day, Coca-Cola machine. So think after getting off the plane, my stomach's kind of in a turn. And so I'm thinking maybe this chill out drink kind of help me out. Got some ingredients in it that are supposed to help you relax. Maybe it'll help my stomach relax. Let's see.
Just try it out.
It's called this one Chill Out.
It's called Chill Out.
It's 200 yen.
Alright.
200 beautiful yen. Chill out drink. There we go. This one looks like it's got a little bit of flavor to it. It's a little bit different can. Cool. Alright, let's try it. Cool. Alright, chill out, guys.
Shake it up a bit.
Good idea. Especially with all those herbals and stuff inside of it. Chill out, relaxation.
Gaba. Gaba.
That's a cool little animation on the back too.
Alright. What is the animation? I don't know that one.
Me either. Alright. Looks kind of like a Red Bull.
Yeah.
Smells good. Smells like Sprite.
What do you got? Herbal. Starting like an herbal Sprite.
That's actually not bad. You can taste the herbs.
Oh yeah.
But it's got enough flavor where it just kind of overpowers that bitter taste of the herbs.
Definitely can taste the grape.
I think I can already feel it on my stomach. I'm not even lying.
Huh.
So I have extreme anxiety, and so I deal with the anxiety in a lot of different ways. Coming to Japan, I can't use a lot of those remedies, so I think this might help.
Yeah.
I can already feel it hitting my stomach, which is insane.
Wow.
Yeah, that's already like
Crazy.
it's making the
Wow.
bubble go away.
Hmm.
It could just be the fact that it's a seltzer.
That's
But
right.
it's awesome. Chill out, guys.
Chill out. Chill out.
Guys, chill out.
Ordered again some cake. Cake in a can. Pretty cool. First line for cake in a can goes. There it goes. Cake in a can.
It's a smaller can than I thought. Woo! That's cool.
Got the smoke coming out there. Steam.
That's awesome. That's cool. Hell yeah. Go. don't think there is a spot.
Nope.
No? Yeah, I can see up in here. It's good. Okay, we just got off the bus and we're headed to the secret spot, baby.
Oh yeah.
Got a little bit of a walk, not too far, about 4 minutes. Everything your heart desires.
Hell yeah. What do you want to try first?
I don't know, let's look at it and then there's a burger. Definitely gotta try a burger. Popcorn.
Curry. Got yourself a slushy.
That's actually one that was on the list. This looks like it's not on though, right?
Got milk.
Ramen.
Fortune.
1 liter, holy shit.
Meat. A hot pot.
Cook out when you get home, yeah.
Yeah. Popcorn.
Chewing gum.
Got curry.
Cool old vending machine. Damn, there's a lot.
Want to try some wild shit? We got new orange.
1,000 yen though for a cup of orange juice?
Nice.
Oh dude, this whole thing's lined with them too. No way. Is this snow cone or vanilla ice cream?
Vanilla ice cream.
Cardi Sweat ice slurry. You've never seen that?
Cardi Sweat?
Yeah, but it's icy.
Yeah. It's more of a squeeze. They have them more the energy pouches. They have them over on the energy side. 120.
Are you getting Dr. Pepper?
Yeah.
Can't go wrong with the Dr. Pepper. And it's a machine specifically for it.
Yeah.
What's the little red sign?
App. There's the chocolate. Chocolate banana.
Candy. Apple.
Nice.
That's crazy. There's so many vending machines. Is there more? Oh yeah. They said there was like over 100. Actual tire shop still like running.
Oh, these are just the games.
Oh dude, retro.
Remember those? This game?
Hell yeah. How much is it?
100? 100.
Come on, Park.
Ready?
So you beat me.
Go! 1, 2, 3. Go! 1, 2, 3.
Oh boy.
Go!
Oh shit.
Got a little bit harder there, huh, Park?
Stop. Go! 1, 2, 3. Go! 1, 2, 3.
Mr. Robot.
Ready?
Going down.
Go! Stop.
Damn right.
Definitely want to try hamburger.
Yeah, let's start with the hamburger. It was the same thing. You're right.
Well, I mean,
All the was saying. Yeah. Look at here. It's just burger with cheese. That one's out. That one's out. So no burger. Guess we'll try the hot sandwich. Same thing. What the hell? I think about it. Strike two.
Ramen?
Just curious to see which ramen it is.
There you go. It's working.
This will come out of this little.
Yep. Oh boy. It's okay, I know you get excited.
I was gonna say, is it supposed to do that?
There you go, the bowl's there.
I was cleaning it off.
Oh, is that it?
Yeah.
Ah, shit.
Is it hot?
A little bit. Oh,
It's pretty good. It's tonkatsu. We got some ramen. How much was it again? 400 yen?
400 yen.
Yeah, it's the only one that's working, it looks like. This is 400 yen ramen at the Tire Mart vending machine spot here in Japan. It's like the most popular vending machine place. It's just a little disappointing because a lot of the things are empty. I'm not sure if there's a time when they come and fill everything up.
Maybe.
How's it?
It's interesting. It's hot Ichiran.
Definitely. Well, look, if it's good, I might actually go over and get one for myself. Since it's the only thing to eat.
We came almost 2 hours.
That's really good, actually. Not bad, actually.
Put the soup in that.
Yeah. And then the bowls go up there. I see it now.
Yep. Put it away.
Get your pan clean, guys.
I wonder if this is heating or is it just the meat?
I think it's just the meat. You take it home and boil it.
Well, popcorn?
Oh.
It's gonna be stale as.
Is he gonna give you all your popcorn? Okay, we got our popcorn. It's like half full.
Remember, it's just crumbs.
And yeah, it's like the end bits of the. It sounds horrible.
But not that bad.
Try a little bit. Kind of warm. Yeah, it's like super chewy. Actually, that's not bad.
No.
Super popcorn, actually. Fuck. All right, the random one. Popcorn is good. Get a cup of ramen. Or you want the potato and clam?
Yeah. Because everything else is gonna be shin, which is hot.
Oh, it does everything. Okay. And then you put it in there. and hit that button on top. You just fill it to your desired amount. Is there a line in there that shows you?
Yeah. I thought there was gonna be like, yeah, I thought there was gonna be noodles.
What do you think of this area, Park?
It's good. It looks, it's pretty off the beaten path, but
Yeah, there's a ways out here. Kind of ways out here for it not to work either.
yeah, kind of like not worth it because there isn't anything out here. There's not all the things that we wanted to try wasn't.
Yeah, and that's it out here. Like, now we gotta go back an hour and a half. And we didn't even get to try the hamburger or anything when we wanted to. Kind of disappointing. Not good?
No, not good. God damn it.
The only thing that was good here is this popcorn. Whatever it is, it's 200 yen.
I'm scared. I don't know what it is.
That looks like one of those ginger colas. It is a ginger cola. Alright guys, well, that was the vending machine park here in Tokyo. It's somewhere pretty far. It's like an hour and a half away from Tokyo. There's like 100-something vending machines and like 75 of them are broken. Don't work. Or out. So yeah, a little disappointing, a little underwhelming
Yeah,
than we thought it would be,
pretty much all we got was ramen and popcorn.
pretty much. We
Delicious.
wanted to try the hamburger. Hamburger was gone. We wanted to try the grilled cheese. Grilled cheese was gone. So yeah, I still think it's a cool place to come check out
It is.
if you want to
Very
see
cool.
a whole bunch of retro vending machines.
Retro arcade games too.
As far as them working, not really. It's a hit or miss. Maybe it's a timing thing. Maybe a weekend thing. I don't know. But
Probably.
we'll catch you on the next one. Have a good one.